What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGM Classic Cars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1969 Lincoln Continental 4-door. Man, take a look at this hot rod Lincoln. That's what I'm going to nickname it. Black paint, 20-inch steel wheels with baby moon hubcaps. This thing runs great, like a sewing machine. Original Ford V8 in it. Runs great. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay radio. Sounds great. You get your mile per hour gauge. Really cool how they did this. Your gear selector, fuel gauge, cigarette lighter, clock, speed control, climate controls, which still work, wiper, hood release down there. Odometer reads 67,000 miles. You got some speakers up here, and you got speakers in the door. Interior was custom redone. Custom seats. Power locks, power windows, suicide doors, of course. Windows were tinted all around. Just a great looking car, and this car drives great. Vinyl top. Anything you could ever ask for in a nice cruiser like this. Cigarette lighter in there. Doors close nicely, body lines up great. Let's move over to the other side before we wrap this up. Just a great looking car. All your door jambs in great shape. Everything. Doors close really nice once again. And the hood. Let's lower that hood down for you. Just looks great. Pretty big car, but you'll be riding in style if you get something like this, that's for sure. There's no doubt about that. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Saturday. If you're interested in this car, you can give us a call at 847-848-1850. Again, it's 847-848-1850. You can also visit the website, mgmclassiccars.com. You'll see all of our inventory there. We have around 250 cars in stock, and we get stuff every day, so stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss a thing, that's for sure. We have special financing for these classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States. Again, my name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this gorgeous 1969 Lincoln Continental. I hope everyone has a great day, and I hope to see you here at MGM Classic Cars taking this Lincoln home. Bye-bye, everyone.